Good morning, friends. Welcome back to another pre-market video analysis. If you look at the American market that closed yesterday, Dow Jones closed 112 point negative, S&P 3 point negative, Nasdaq 66 point negative. Those were trading very much in the positive side during the trading hours. So what can you conclude from the closing of the US markets? It concludes that the overall market scenario is very much bearish, but the tech sector is performing very well. Now looking to the futures market, all the US future markets are trading in negative for the time being. Look at SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty now trading 46 point negative. So what does it project for the Indian market for today? So possible that Nifty and Bank Nifty will open flat or in the negative zone. So for Bank Nifty, if it opens flat and comes down, it has to break 42,400 level in the downward direction. If it crosses 42,400 level, then downward selling is expected. And for Nifty in the downward direction, 18,000 is a strong support. So if Nifty opens flat or in negative and breaks 18,000 level, heavy selling in the downward direction is expected. So opening flat and coming up is a least possible scenario for today's market. So this was all about the projection for today's market. Hope it helps, and if it helps you to understand the market and trade accordingly for today, please like the video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.